Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Lite not receiving messages. If Facebook Lite is not receiving messages, it is usually caused by app settings, network issues, or outdated software. This can prevent new chats from appearing or delay message delivery. By checking a few key areas, you can restore normal messaging. To begin, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open Facebook Lite. Confirm the app loads normally. Refresh the inbox. Pull down on the messages screen to refresh chats. Restart the app. Close Facebook Lite completely and reopen it. Restart your phone. Reboot your device to clear temporary glitches. Update the app. Go to the Play Store and install the latest version of Facebook Lite. Check notification settings. Ensure message notifications are enabled. Allow app permissions via Settings, Apps, Facebook Lite, Permissions. Enable background data. Allow the app to use data in the background. Turn off battery saver. Battery optimization may block message syncing. Clear app cache via Settings, Apps, Facebook Lite, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Log out and log back in to refresh your Facebook session. Reinstall the app. Uninstall and reinstall Facebook Lite if needed. Test with another device or browser. Check if messages appear on Facebook web version. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.